Are Akitas good therapy dogs? Akitas are a magnificent dog breed that originated in Japan. With their striking appearance and loyal nature, Akitas have been praised for their various abilities and qualities. One question that often arises in regards to Akitas is whether they can make good therapy dogs. In this article, we will delve into the world of therapy dogs and explore whether Akitas possess the necessary qualities to excel in this role. To begin with, let's understand what therapy dogs are and what they do. Therapy dogs are specially trained canines that provide comfort, companionship, and emotional support to individuals in various settings, such as hospitals, nursing homes, schools, and rehabilitation centers. They have a unique ability to connect with people and make a positive impact on their well-being. When it comes to Akitas, their temperament is one of the key factors in determining whether they can excel as therapy dogs. Akitas are known for their loyalty and devotion to their families. They are typically calm and composed, which can be a huge advantage when it comes to interacting with individuals who may be going through physical or emotional struggles. Another important quality that therapy dogs possess is their patience. Akitas are known for being patient and tolerant, especially when it comes to children or individuals with disabilities. They have the ability to remain calm and composed even in challenging situations, which is crucial for therapy dogs as they often encounter various environments and people with diverse needs. Additionally, Akitas possess a keen sense of intuition, which allows them to sense and understand the emotions of those around them. This empathetic nature is essential in therapy dogs as they need to be able to provide comfort and support to individuals who may be feeling distressed or anxious. Akitas can often sense when someone is in need of their presence and provide the reassurance and companionship that therapy settings require. However, it is important to note that while Akitas can potentially be great therapy dogs, their suitability for this role may vary on an individual basis. Like any other dog breed, Akitas have their own unique personalities, and not every Akita may be well suited to become a therapy dog. Proper training and socialization are crucial to ensuring that Akitas can adapt and thrive in various therapy settings. When considering whether Akitas can make good therapy dogs, it is also important to mention their size and strength. Akitas are a large and powerful breed, which may make them unsuitable for certain therapy settings where a smaller or less physically imposing dog may be preferred. However, their size can also be an advantage in some situations, as Akitas have the ability to provide a sense of security and comfort simply through their presence. In conclusion, Akitas have the potential to be excellent therapy dogs due to their loyal and calm nature, patience, empathy, and size. However, it must be emphasized that each Akita should be evaluated individually to determine their suitability for the role. Training and socialization play a crucial role in preparing Akitas for therapy work and ensuring their success in various settings. If an Akita is properly trained and possesses the necessary qualities, they have the potential to make a significant impact as therapy dogs and bring comfort, companionship, and emotional